What did you do to them?
I gave them freedom from themselves. Ask anyone their name.
They can't answer.
Names create division.
Do you know who you are?
I am waiting for instructions.
That's her family.
Not anymore.
That's her family.
Not anymore.
You call this peace?
Nobody fights for something they cannot remember.
Nobody loves either.
The liquid is still rising! Find a ventilation route!
Open that cover! It's locked from the other side!
I like these glasses. Give me your hand! Pull! I thought I lost you. You're harder to escape than death. We need to find Lena and Maya. Their trackers are gone.
Kane has taken Maya above ground.
Help me reach her.
Kane is deleting me.
How much time do you have?
Less than Maya.
We've lost 3 minutes. Then we stop losing time. That tower will carry the final signal.
Then that's what I'll destroy.
Cooperate, and your father survives.
You've already erased his life once. Not forever. Memory commands blocked.
Maya.
That child is defective.
She's remembering.
Move aside.
Her name isn't defective.
My name is Sarah.
Hold on to that, Sarah.
Let her go!
One memory can infect the entire city.
My name is Sarah!
Name.
Remember your names!
Silence her.
Where is Maya?
Patient 0 is being prepared.
I can't breathe.
Medical assistance requested.
Assistance received.
Security breach.
This elevator leads to the city. Can you make it move?
Order is destroyed. Then we climb the shaft.
How far is the surface? Farther if you keep asking.
Drone! Keep climbing!
That was your plan? It was the beginning of one!
Get on!
You're controlling it?
Absolutely not!
We reached the city.
Quietly was never an option.
Why are they standing like that? Kane erased who they were.
I don't have any.
New instruction. Capture Elias Voss.
Now they have one.
Stay beside me! There are thousands of them!
They don't know what they're doing.
Then we don't hurt them.
Reach the emergency exit! The crowd is surrounding us! They won't stop! Neither will we!
Maya's father!
How do you know me?
Maya told us to remember.
Where did they take her?
The top of that building.
Of course it's the tallest one. If we forget again, we read them. How many of you remember?
Maya woke something inside us.
She's connected to every stolen memory.
Lena,
I'm getting you out. Ja, the lost dice. I will never try to have a knife.
Doctors should understand sacrifice.
You only understand control.
Who is that chamber for?
Me.
You aren't deleting the memories.
I'm collecting them. Bodies die. Memories continue.
You want to become everyone.
In 24 minutes, humanity will live inside me.
That isn't living.
Sarah, stay with the others.
Bring Maya back.
She's on the 72nd floor. Find us a fast elevator.
Memory transfer initiated.
If you start now, you could overload the system. We were never monsters.
They were erased people.
Elias, look at these chambers.
Kane wasn't building one immortal body.
If one of me fails, another remembers.
There are hundreds of him.